We'd like to call our first candidate from Iloilo, 24 years old, Karen Nicole Maazin. Hi, Karen. Medyo tag-ulan. Yung pagkanta mo, saktong-sakto sa weather. Napakalamig ng ano mo, ha? Hello.
Thank you so much, Well. Good afternoon. It is such an honor to be here.
Wow, galing ha. Showbiz ka agad to eh. Anyway, bumati ka muna. Ang nanonood sa atin is about 24 million sa social media at buong mundo nanonood sa atin to GMA Pinoy TV and GMA7. Say hello to everybody.
Wow, that is amazing. And I feel so overwhelmed by all of your love and support for me. And especially, I am representing Maasin Iloilo. Bumabati po ako sa aking mga kasimanwa, sa mga Maasinanon, sa palangga ko kid kamo, nga tamaan. And madamo, gid nga suporta sa inyong tanan for always supporting me. Both of my parents were born and raised in Iloilo, and this is my way of paying tribute to such a beautiful hometown of theirs. And of course, I love you so much, Mommy and Daddy, and of course, my siblings, and all of my other supporters as well. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you very much. Very well said. Okay, binati mo na buangkan mo, okay? Anyway, you're a graduate from European Studies at nagpe-paint ka rin daw. Is that right?
Yes po. I took up international studies and majored in European studies. Kaya po ako napakanta ng French song kanina kasi po I took up French for 9 terms in college.
That's nice.
And
What's the
then,
title of the song?
La Vie en Rose.
Huh?
La Vie en Rose.
La Vie en Rose.
Yes.
Bakit may ano yung sabing buko?
Yung buku po kasi is merci beaucoup. Beaucoup means very.
Very merci beaucoup.
So parang,
Okay.
thank you very much.
Okay. Parang si Tekla. Pasibuka? Pasibuka? Alam mo yan, pasibuka? Oh, padabaw ako. Okay. Ay, nako. Ano ba ang gusto mo sa isang lalaki?
Well, gusto ko po actually, to be honest, yung medyo malalim mag-isip. Yung alam kong hindi kami mauubusan ng pag-uusapan hanggang sa tumanda kami.
Intellectual.
Intellectual
So
po.
gusto mo, pag nag-isip siya, nasa dagat siya, nasa ilalim ng dagat. Oy, para to all the beautiful ladies, ha? Gusto ko lang malaman nyo ang pinanonood sa inyo, mga beauty queens. We would like to welcome Ms. Laura Liman and Ms. Ariela Arida. Oh, hi! Live, dito po siya. Oh, kita nyo. Mga beauty queens yan. Okay, so wag kayong Miss World Philippines 2007, Laura Liman. Smile! And Miss Universe 2013 third runner-up, our very own Miss Ariela Arida. Oh, wow. Diba? Dati, ano yan? Kung mag-show, hapon, naging umaga kay ganda. O ngayon, balik na naman siya sa hapon. Oh, but anyway, that's nice.
Hello mga kapuso! Ako po si Ipon. Minabati ko unang-una dyan mga kaipo natin, mga kaskwami ko dyan. Nagustuhan nyo ba ang video na to? Marami pa kaming inanda para sa inyo. Mag-subscribe lang sa Wowin YouTube channel. Tsaka, don't forget to hit the, the bell button para lagi kang updated. Yun lang!